In the ocean blue, we swim so free. Little shark plays, friends with glee. Coral shining, laughter everywhere. But dark clouds rise, storm fills the air. The waves grow tall, shadows near. A trembling heart, but courage here. My heart beats fast, but I won't run away. Don't run away, just trust in me. There's a safe way, we'll find the sea. The waves swirl strong, the water wild, but I will guide you, little child. Follow my lead, don't be afraid. Together strong, a new way is made. Cry for help, I turn right back. I'll pull you out from the reef's dark crack. Friends all pulling, side by side. Together safe, we turn the tide. Through the currents, fast we go. Clearing the path, the way will show. The wave roars loud, but we stay strong. Hand in hand, we all belong. Take a deep breath, dive below to the safe place where calm will flow. We're still alive, a smile I see. Together brave, we've won the sea. The sea is calm, the sunlight shines. Peace returns, the day is kind. Our heroes here, so brave and true. A shy, small smile, but love shines through.
We survived!
Circle of joy, let's dance and cheer. Happiness glows, the ocean clear. I was scared too, but we stood as one. Together strong, the storm is gone. Corals glowing, laughter all around. Colors of life in the sea we found. Eyes of courage shining bright, guiding us through darkest night. Prayers is not to never fear, but to protect the ones we hold dear. Little shark now lifts his eyes so high. Love and hope will shine across the sky.